Hello and welcome to Dr Barbecue. Let's make Go Anywhere pizza. Let's see if we can make some pizza on the Go Anywhere. Okay, so I got this really cheap pizza plate here. Just cutting off two, or in the end I cut off three sides to make it, well, you will see. And there we go. This is gonna work fine. Now I just need to make a pizza. Okay, so I thought I was gonna make the Dr Berg quiche crust for pizza. Turned out in the end it was too crumbly, but it tasted really nice. So it's just almond flour, garlic powder, butter, egg, salt and baking soda. Recipe below in the description box. Blending it in a blender and then, well, when it starts to ball up, putting it in plastic wrap and giving it a spa day. Into the fridge for a couple of hours before it was time to make the pizza outdoors. When making pizza you want the stone to be screaming hot, so I've got enough charcoal here to cover the bottom of the grill underneath the pizza stone. And here you can see I cut off the third side because I want it to be like a reverse flow kind of. So I've got the vents open underneath the stone, want the air to go through and then above the stone and out through the vent. Well, it's over 500 degrees, time to prepare the pizza. So I've got the dough here. It's got a good texture so far, adding a little bit more almond flour. But in the end, like I said, it kind of crumbled a little bit, so I wasn't entirely satisfied. I'll try a different recipe next time. Anyway, topping it with a little bit of almond flour and then putting it onto the stone. Oh yeah, 2 small pieces of mesquite, and the fiery end should be enough smoke for this pizza. Flipping it on there. So far it looks pretty good. And then I let it stay for about 5 minutes, drying it out and then flipping it before putting on the sauce. I'm using a small onion chopped up mixed with crushed tomatoes as a sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper in there, nothing fancy. And then on top of the tomato you put the cheese, but you'll of course know that. A couple of slices of, or rings of onion, strips of hanger steak that I had left over from yesterday. And then you're supposed to have a couple of basil leaves, but I only had spinach, so that's what we go with. Lid on again, a couple of minutes until the cheese melted, and it was time for taste. There we go, low carb pizza. Let's try it. Well, this isn't the best crust that I've made. This crust works really well for quiche. Not exactly the best for pizza. It's okay. Of course, the garlic powder adds a nice flavor to it, so it's not very almondy, which it could have been, of course. And then the hanger steak on here, well, can't go bad. Rather nice, I must say. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.